Okay, everybody, we are going to have discussion on strategy, technique, method, and approach. What we are going to discuss this in very quick. Number one, what is approach? Arshad, would you read this?
Approach is doing something in a certain way, which is something that you have to share more for this standard.
Okay. The keyword of approach is certain way, treating something in certain way. Do you understand the meaning of treating, right? Treating, how you treat somebody, right? How you treat your parents, you must respect them, right? So that is treating. So that is approach. Go on, Arsa, technique. Sorry, method. Method is
That's our kind of procedure. Usually, we're going to the box is kind of like this general way in which we can conduct.
different way approach. When we are talking about method, we are talking about general way. General way. And when we are talking about way, we are talking about procedure. Okay. So method is similar to procedure. That is. Before we continue to technique, I will begin. Approach is something about treating. Yeah. For example, how you treat your parents. And then method is something about general way, in which we are talking about process, step. That is it. Okay. Thank you very much, Arshad. To read technique. Yeah. Method is general, okay, but specifically you need a technique. I repeat again, when we are talking about the step, that is method, but specific method, we are talking about technique. Okay, that's why the keyword is procedure or skill for completing a specific task. Yeah, and then the last one, still cerita, strategy. Thank you. The key word for strategy is that specific method. So you do something, you do special technique in order to solve problem. Okay, you do technique that is for something happy. But when you have problem, and then we need strategy. That is the difference between strategy and technique. That they are similar, but strategy is something for specific purpose. That is. Okay, why do we have to discuss approach, method, technique, and because sometimes when we read any books translation, we are sometimes confused. Which one is method? Which one is technique? Which one is strategy? Okay. So today we are trying to make it sure that everybody understands. Oh, this one is approach, this one is method, so on. Okay. You probably find the next discussion will be a little bit different with something we have ever known or found in any books or references. Now we are going to go on with the next slide. But before that, I want everybody to look at that is the link for everybody who wants to learn more about those definitions. Especially for the strategy, that is my own creation. Yeah. Here actually everything is really written paraphrase, yeah. Not from the original version. Okay, now we go on to the next page. Ansa, could you read please? Ansa. Read. Ansa, read. Approaches. Number one. Okay. Okay, when translating books, etc., for your thesis, you use this. Thank you, Ansa. Everybody, number one approach is academic. Okay. You use this approach and you treat translation process for academic use. You treat translation process, yeah, by academic. For example, when you are translating books, when you are translating references, when you are translating quotation, others, you use this approach. Again, the name of the approach is academic approach. Okay. Maybe someday one of you or everybody is going to continue your start, which everybody is supposed to write down thesis, and then you need to translate any books, you need to translate any references, then you use this approach. Okay. Thank you. I'm done. Business approach. So, everybody, the second approach is business. You treat the process of translating by and for business goals. Okay. For example, when you are translating MOU, MOU is blah 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 of understanding. Or maybe you are translating email or other. You are translating invoice like that. Where everything is very you can use this. Okay. And then the last approach, yeah, let me have answer to it. Entertainment approach. Yeah. Treating translation process by and for entertainment use. For example, when you are translating novels, when you are translating movie script, when you are translating comics, etc. For entertainment, you use this. Okay. So in short, everybody, approach is something, a very large idea or view whenever you want to start, yeah, doing the process of it. If you have a business document, or you use business, if you have know-how to be translated, you use and at the end, you have translated books or your speech or your presentation, you use it. Okay, so there are three approaches. Okay, now we go on to the next step. Yeah, let me tell you, you don't find this in every book of business. Yeah, because this is based on my experience. Okay, now we go on. Methods. Yes, we can. No, yeah, no, no. Would you read this? When translating, okay, everybody, smaller scope of approach is method. Yeah. Again, method is talking about the process. So there are two methods in translation. First one is literature. Yeah. Oh, the literal method. What is literal method? Generally, the translation process depends on the lexicon. So literal method is when you do the process of you are related to lexicon. You are related to meaning of word. So you are related to grammar. That is literal method. Okay. So this is good, or this method is available or appropriate when you are translating for academic and then for. Okay. Next method. Okay. Yeah. The second method is free method. Based on the name, you are free. You don't really depend on the literature. Sorry, you don't depend on the literature itself. For example, word, grammar, vocabulary, no. Why? Because you are free. So this is a free method. So when you are translating novel, when you are translating novel, you are free. Why? Because in novel you will define idea of bahasa, figurative language, which you are not exactly supposed to translate word by word, but you use adaptive strategies. That is the end. Okay. So we make conclusion. When you have document, very serious document, book, business, you use literal. What is literal method? Everything is based on the word. Everything is based on grammar. It's based on literal. If you are translating comics, novel, short story, in which you have a very variative sentences, dialogue, and everything, you use free method. free method means you are free. You don't really depend on your ability to prepare, your ability to prepare, or ability to figure out. You are. Okay. Now we go on. Naila. Nala. Listen. Techniques.
This kind of techniques are used when the concept and structure of the social interaction can be used to define studying this technique and use the terms of the original text and is only possible with the language and words that are essentially close. There are no are used as the human and forward are preserved of these techniques seems to structural and non-controllable romantic order to preserve the meaning and one.
Yeah, okay. Now we are talking about technique. Regarding technique is more point of view than the method. Technique is something for you to do to work. Let's see. There are two kinds of technique. Direct technique and then indirect technique. Okay. What is the direct technique? Direct technique is when the concept and the structure of the source language. Concept and the structure of source language can be used effectively. It means the grammar of bahasa English is the same like the grammar. So you can use direct technique. Okay. The concept, for example, in English we know kata benda, we know kata sepatu. Then in bahasa Indonesia we have also kata benda and kata sepatu. So we have the same concept, so we can use direct technique. Okay. This technique can miss the nuances of the original text and is only possible with languages and cultures that are extremely close. But be careful when you do the text. Sometimes we have problem with keeping quiet because the nuances of the original text are sometimes biased because you don't understand the context. So in direct technique, we really need to understand the meaning or the message of that is direct. But don't worry, whenever the language and the concept of English and English are close, you don't really have a big problem. Okay. Now the next one is indirect. In indirect, or everybody says obliquely, it is when the two languages and cultures are further apart. That means, it is, for example, the language between English and Mandarin, for example, that is very different. Or Arabic, for example, in Arabic, Indonesia start from left to the right, but Arabic start from right to, so that is further apart. So we use indirect technique. These techniques change structural, and then change conceptual element in order to preserve to keep the meaning unchanged. So indirect technique is used especially when you are translating certain Mandarin. Why? Because the concepts are quite different with Indonesian to English. Start subject, verb. That is the concept of sentence. But in Arabic and in Mandarin or in Japanese, it is different. You start the sentence with verb. You don't start with subject. You start with Japanese. Yeah. So you study Japanese. They don't start the sentence with subject, but they start with verb. Okay. So you use indirect manner. And you see the link for you to study more about direct manner. Okay. Now the last one, strategy. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strategies. Now I want to start one by one strategy. Kevin, you start from the title. Okay, so whenever we talk about strategies, we are talking about problem. Okay, we have problem. What is your strategy? Problem number 1, Kevin. Yeah, we have problem in understanding the message. We have how many strategies? We have problem in understanding the message of the text. Now, how many strategies do we have? 2. Only 2 strategies. What are the strategies? Modulation and compensation. Is that clear, Kevin? Seems to be okay, I read it again. Problem number 1 is understanding the message of the text. What are the strategies? The strategies are modulation and compensation. Okay, Kevin, what is the next problem? Rewriting SLT into LT. How many strategies do you have? Only 1. What is the strategy? Borrowing. Clear? The last problem, keeping the message unchanged. How many strategies do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So totally, how many? 10. Yeah. Okay, now we are discussing one by one. Borrowing and modulation, please take. Okay, that is modulation. Yeah. When you don't understand the message of the text, you try to use this method in which you change in point of view. For example, from kata benda kita rubah menjadi kata kerja, or vice versa, or kalimat aktif kita rubah menjadi kata kerja. That is modulation. In order for you to understand the original text. Okay. Next, compensation rate. Okay, sometimes in the original text, we have one word. The word has more than one meaning. Yeah. And then when we want to change into the target language, the word has only one meaning. So, how to solve the problem? You do compensation. Compensation means identifying one specific meaning of the word. So you focus only on one meaning, on any word. You don't find any possibility for other meaning. That is compensation. Okay. The last one, please. Borrowing. Using source language in the context. It means you copy paste. Yeah. You don't change the original word. Yeah. Why? Because we have problem in rewriting. You know the word, but when you say, when you want to change it to a concept, you don't know. Because you don't know, you copy paste. That is borrowing. Okay? Or maybe what you know is other thing. Okay? No, not other thing. Yeah, there is another word, but this there borrowing. Serap. Bisa diserap langsung. Direct serapan. Tidak perlu. Okay. Okay, next. Thank you, Kevin. Yeah. Now we go on to the third problem. Third problem, we have 7 strategies. Number 1, calculate. Yeah, translating literally the borrowed expression. You know the borrowed expression in the borrowing. Yeah, the borrowed expression into the target. It means you don't change the word that is borrowing, but you have an explanation that is calculating. That is calculating. You don't change the word. For example, you have a very difficult word to translate. So you use borrowing extra. You don't change. But in calculating, you have an explanation. Okay. Next, literal translation. Yeah. So we have literal translation. It means that we are using free method. Free method. The idea is that you keep the meaning unchanged. You don't want to change the meaning. So whenever you are translating idiomatic expression, peribahasa, so you use this literal translation. Next. Okay, substituting one word class with another without changing the meaning of it. Transposition is actually almost the same like modulation, but transposition is talking about word, and modulation is talking about standard. Okay. Next. In equivalent, you combine 2 sentences, yeah, and then in the target language text, you make it into shorter one. You make it into one. So equivalence is free translation because you can combine more than 1 sentence, and then in the text of language, in the target language, at once. That is next. This one is equivalent literally, but with special equivalent. Next. Yeah. In order for you to be able to keep the meaning unchanged, you add more words to you keep additional words. Next, the last one. Yeah. Cutting words, that means you delay any words. So that is the opposite of extension. Okay, these ones are taken from this link. After I give you the PowerPoint, this is going to be your homework. Okay, but I will give you the example. So that is the end of our discussion today. Yeah. We are going to make a conclusion. So today we have already talked about possible strategies. Strategies when we discuss 10 strategies. Okay. And then strategies are based on the problem. How many problems have we discussed? 3. What is the first problem? Problem in understanding the context. Problem number 2, in rewriting. Problem number 3, keeping the meaning unchanged. In order to solve the problem, we use the strategy. For problem number 1, we have 2 strategies. Yeah. And then problem number 2, we have 1. And problem number 3, we have 7. Okay. And all of those strategies are based on the technique. How many techniques do we have? 2, direct and indirect. And then all techniques are based on the method. What are the methods? Yeah, digital and then free. And then the last one, we are talking about approach. Yeah. What approach? There are 3. Yeah. Academic approach, business approach, and entertainment. So everybody, that is for today. Yeah. Do you have any question? Yeah, studying about theory of translation is sometimes interesting, sometimes not interesting. But I hope these ones are the very simple. If you read the book, you will get it. But this one is a very simple and easy to understand. Okay, I will give you the assignment. Thank you. No question? That's it for today. But I need to make sure about. I need to make sure who are absent or present today. Thank you.